Hey guys, we're going to learn a new sight word today. So let's review the ones that we have already learned. And remember, sight words are words that we usually cannot sound out. Like we can't break it apart like at. We can't break it apart by sounds. And so let's look at the first one that we learned. This is the sight word and. And. I have a dog and a cat. A-N-D. And. Good. The other one that we learned was the word the. The. The big dog is so cute. The. T-H-E. The. T-H-E. The. Good. All right, now this one looks really simple, but it's this is one that you need to know because it is in a sentence. It's usually in a lot of sentences. This is the sight word and I know that's weird because a says ah, but sometimes in a sentence you will see this letter, the letter A, and it will be all by itself, and it will say the sound and I know that that's weird, but that's something that we have to remember. Okay, this is a sight word, the word So there was a pig in the mud. And it's just going to be the letter A all by itself. All right, friends, I hope that you enjoyed this and make sure that that you are doing all of your work. All right, bye, friends.